Hi all you nature birds. Is the plane on the shot?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi all you nature birds. We're gonna be exploring the outside.
Nature.
We're gonna be exploring the outside today, and it's gonna be great. So come along. Is the plane on the shot?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you got your sunscreen, your water bottle, your chapstick, your sunscreen. Let's go. Hey.
Whoa, Bob.
Oh, this. Okay, hold on. Let's zoom in on
Whoa.
it. This is our first nature encounter. Okay, this. Oh, it went under the. Oh, all right. This is a 7-spot ladybug. You can tell that it's a 7-spot ladybug.
Where'd it go?
It's on the.
Whoa,
You see
look
it?
at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a rusty nail. Wait, where'd it? Oh, there it is.
That's a 7-spot ladybug. You can tell it's a 7-spot. All right, let's go. Oh no! Why do you always keep the strap tight, huh? Okay. Alright, we come across our second nature spot. This is a trailing ice plant, alright? Now it's a succulent, meaning that it doesn't need that much water. And originally, I thought that it needed a lot of water, but it doesn't. What a beauty. Happy birthday, Joey. So this is a Curio repens, all right? And what's interesting, now this won't feel a thing, but this is used to actually cool you down in the summer heat. It's not. You can eat it though. You can. All right, so a lot of people think that this is lavender. This is actually Mexican bush sage. What's cool about it is that it smells like sage, and it is sage. And the leaves are long, and it's purple, and it's in the ground sometimes. From this person's house.
Is that a real moose?
Yeah.
You know, these are actually not a flower.
Alright, so
Oh.
these are the, alright, yeah. So these are the garden nasturtiums. They're used to help chest pain, create new blood cells. Oh, a little bee on the garden nasturtium.
Dude, where?
Very bad.
A bee! Whoa. Look, he's right there. Is he? Dude, yes. Look at that guy. You know when they sting you, they don't really care about it? They don't really care about it.
Care about you, yeah.
Whoa. This guy loves it here. Nice.
Alright. These are the trailing lantana.
You have weird knees.
Oh, it is ivy. I guess you knew more than me.
I know my plants, man.
Dude, you don't know shit.
That's a tree.
Hold on. What does it do?
That's wheat.
Oh, bicycle.
Whoa. That's my friend Aaron.
Aaron's awesome, dude.
No, he's not. Just nature, just taking, just doing whatever it wants. Hanging out on. What do you got?
This is a cave.
Whoa.
I could just, if I get rid of the phone, everything that my phone does except for looking up plants, it could just be a plant thing. Go.
It looks like a video game.
What? Oh, CPK.
Whoa. That's an In-N-Out cup.
Same thing. This is
Whoa, this is like
awesome.
happening right now.
Yeah, this is live.
Holy shit.
Dude, don't curse.
Sorry.
This is a Mally's. What they say?
Oh.
Oh, Oh, a wild.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa.
whoa. Whoa, what's he got in his mouth?
All right, so that's a crow, part of the corvid family. They're famous for taking things and then moving them to other places. Hey, this is an orchid rock rose. What's cool about this is that it's the most common rock rose. You might be asking, what is the difference between a normal rose and a rock rose? A rock doesn't grow. Okay, this is that plant that we saw earlier, the garden Neptune. Rock rose, hold on. I gotta like, cistus from the Greek kistis is a genus of flowering plants in the rock rose family. But what the hell is a rock rose? Moon River Rock. Moon River Roll.
Whoa.
Did you just pick a leaf off a dudley? Oh. Hello. Hey. Hey again. So this is a California poppy. Maybe. We also said it was a garden gnarly.
Garden gnarly.
But it might be a California poppy. Which is weird, because...
I swear I just saw a bee type thing. Whatever.
I want water. So, we saw earlier an ox-eye daisy. This is normal daisy. After it was a flower, now it's the seed form. What's cool about them? Some people will stick them, they'll do the prank. People will like put the daisy, the dandelion. Is it? Wait, what was?
Dandy.
Daisy. Wait, then what did we say before?
Whoa.
Oh, mourning doves.
Whoa.
All right, so these aren't mourning doves at all. Oh, yes,
Whoa.
they are.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look, his friend's still there.
So mourning doves make the woo woo woo.
Yeah, I thought that was an
Dude,
owl.
Slow down.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah, I thought it was an owl.
You guys ever see those videos of like a sign and it's next to a tree and the tree like eats it? This is what's going on here. That is really cool.
Trailing wizard family.
Look at him over there.
Oh, come here.
Oh,
Dude. Hey, hi. Hello. Hi. Hey. So this is a Lampsillus mushroom. Sorry. Oh, what's your name? Boots? Oh, sorry. I just wanted to look
he
at your
touched
name
his
tag.
boy spot.
Jazzy. He has a little thing sticking out. Is this real or is it stuck on? No, it's real.
It's a whisker on his face.
Whisker on his face? So as you can see, nature is everywhere, and it might even be in your street.
Might even be right now.
That was the whole point from the beginning. Is why I wanted it in the shop. Because
Ita nga ginanay na sina